So this section continues solving multi-step equations. So if you'll recall, the first step is to simplify both sides of the equal sign as much as possible. So I'm going to start with this side of the equal sign. I notice a 4 and a parenthesis, so the first thing I'm going to do is distribute that. So I have 8x plus 4 times 4x is going to give me 16x. 4 times -3 is going to give me -12. I'm going to continue simplifying this side. So I notice that I have two like terms, 8x and positive 16x. Whenever I combine those, I'm going to get 24x. Bring down your -12. This side is completely simplified. I can't do anything else to it. So now let's go to this side. Again, I'm going to distribute this 4. So I'm going to have 4 times 6 is going to give me 24x. And then 4 times 4 gives me a positive 16. Bring down the -4. These are my like terms. So positive 16 minus 4 is going to give me a positive 12. Alright, so if you'll notice, both of these sides of the equal sign look very similar, but I have a -12 here and a +12 here. So let's go ahead and start moving terms from one side of the equal sign to the other and just see what happens, because this is most likely going to be one of my special cases. So if I move this 24x to the other side, that's going to cancel to where all I'm left with on the side is positive 12, but over here it's going to cancel too. So all I'm left with is the -12. When my x's cancel and all I'm left with is a statement, to see what kind of special case it is, I need to determine if the statement is true or not. -12 is not equal to positive 12, so in this case, I have no real solution. No real solution means that it doesn't matter what value I plug in for x, it's never going to give me a true statement on this side of the equal sign and this side of the equal sign. We have one other special case, and that is all real solutions. In order to get something that has all real solutions, whenever it's simplified, I need to have the same thing on this side of the equal sign and the same thing on this side of the equal sign. So an example of that might be, let's say I have a problem and I work it out. So let's say I have make that a 10. So let's say this is my original problem. This side can't be simplified any, but this one can. Distribute that 2. Notice that both sides of the equal sign are identical. This is going to end up in an all real solution scenario. If you want further proof, we can subtract 10 from both sides. And that cancels out my variable x, and I'm left with positive 6 equals positive 6, which is a true statement. So this gives me all real solutions. So anytime my variable cancels, I'm going to be left with a statement that's either true, meaning it's all real solutions, or a statement that's false, meaning no real solutions. So I want you to go ahead and look at the next problem, and I want you to work it on your own to tell me if it's a special case, and if so, is it all real solutions or is it no real solutions?